Hi everyone, welcome to our meditation session today. I'm thrilled you've chosen to take a few moments for yourself to relax, unwind, and nurture your body, mind, and soul. Find a quiet, comfortable spot to sit with your back straight. Bring your hands together in a gentle prayer position, and take a moment to acknowledge the present moment. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you exhale, release any tension or stress. Repeat this process a few times, feeling your body relax. Bring your shoulders up towards your ears on your next inhale and gently release them down on your exhale. Repeat this process a few more times. Feeling any tension, release. Slowly tilt your head to the right, holding for a few breaths. Release and come back to center. Then tilt your head to the left, holding for a few breaths. Repeat on both sides, feeling any stiffness release. Starting from your forehead, bring awareness to each area of your body, relaxing your muscles as you exhale. Work your way down to your toes, feeling your entire body release tension. Repeat these positive affirmations to yourself, allowing the words to sink deep into your mind. I am enough as I am. I'm exactly where I'm meant to be. Energy goes where attention flows, and my attention is here and now. I use my power in the present moment. I'm guided, protected, and loved. I trust in the guidance of the universe. I allow myself to let go, trust, and enjoy life. I feel lighter and freer. I am safe. Imagine a warm, comforting light at the crown of your head, slowly spreading down your body. Relaxing each muscle and tissue as it goes. Allow yourself to release any physical tension or discomfort as this light flows through your body. Bring your attention to your breath, feeling the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Try to focus on the sensation of each breath without judgment or distraction. Allow yourself to settle into the present moment, letting go of any thoughts or worries. Imagine yourself in a peaceful, serene environment. What does peace look like to you? Focus on the sights, sounds, and smells of this peaceful scene. And place yourself in it. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this vision, feeling any stress or anxiety melt away. Imagine yourself walking through a beautiful, lush forest. Notice the sensation of your feet touching the earth, the sounds of the birds and rustling leaves, and the warm sunlight filtering through the trees. Allow yourself to fully immerse into this experience, feeling any tension or stress. Release with each step. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to notice the world around you with a fresh perspective. Take a deep breath in and out. Feeling any remaining tension or stress release. Thank yourself for taking the time to relax and nourish your body, mind, and soul. Remember to live in the present moment and know that you are safe, guided, and loved. Sending you love and light, and wishing you a beautiful day ahead. Namaste.